Hi everyone, welcome back to the fastest book club out there with book recommendations in under 60 seconds. I'm Volker Hack and this episode is about the new book from Pippa Grange called Fearless. This is a great book. Dr. Pippa Grange is one of the most respected sports psychologists in the world and has worked with many athletes and sports teams across the globe. In her great book, she talks about how fears can hold us back and can block us from reaching our full potential in sports, at work, and in life. She makes it clear that a less fearful life isn't going to arrive in the mail, but her book provides some great insight and tools that will allow you to work with your fear and turn its volume down. The first step is to see your fear that may come in very different manifestations like jealousy or perfectionism. The next step is to face your fear, accepting it, allowing it to be here and even embracing it. And finally, replacing it with more connection, more passion, more joy. This book is very practical, upbeat, and a total game changer. Pick it up this weekend. You will not regret it. Bye for now. Hope to see you next time.